everybody, it's Cole here, and today I'm playing with Oscar's Fancy.
Hello.
And we're playing some Jailbreak on my private server, or on his private server.
Okay, I want to say one thing. When you're with me, or you see if I see anyone on the meeting, I go crazy.
I can easily see that happening. I see you. I need a card. I need a card. I need a card. I need a card now.
Calm down. Shoot you in the head if you do. I got an Oreo egg.
And I got swap. Dude, I got the swap pass too.
I have two.
Yeah.
I can't believe it. Okay, so don't spend all your money on Roblox, because Roblox isn't anything.
Okay, dude, switch. Switch, dude.
Which one is it in?
It's in the very top, the very first.
Okay. Wait for me. I'm locked in somewhere.
Oh, you are? Where are you?
You know that cell phone man place?
And do you have the Lambo?
Yes. You didn't see it?
No. Do you get your card?
I got my card.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Who wants to get who wants to drive, not drive, to buy the apartment? No apartment. Because there's no cops.
Oh, dude, I just remembered there's no cops. I'm used to playing in public. I'm gonna go get the SWAT stuff.
Oh, same.
We just completely forgot.
We walked in at the same time. Get the flashlight, it really helps. Because in Jailbreak it gets really dark.
I know.
So, SWAT car or Lambo?
We start out with the SWAT car. Why is there a police car just crushed into the...
Because I didn't have any time to park it.
Oh, yep, it just despawned. Now, for those of you who don't like black and purple, please don't blame me, but it's just what my car will look like.
Run! Never mind.
Oh, donut store. Yeah, whatever. We're gonna rob the jewelry, brah. Going for that big moolah.
That looks pretty cool. Why are you customizing it if it's just gonna be a temporary car?
Wait, what?
Are you not gonna drive this car?
I'm gonna drive the Lambo.
So why'd you customize it?
'Cause I like customizing. Can I get a hail? Told you I have a Lambo. I told you. Now, do you guys like the Lambo? It has a little purple glow, if you can notice.
Okay, I'm back.
Oh God!
And when I come back, we crash into the wall.
Yeah.
We have to run the train.
No.
Do you want me to make a thumbnail? We just need a couple of photos. I want to show you how good I am at making thumbnails.
Gosh
Is
dang.
it open or not?
It's closed.
Let's skip it. Oh my gosh. I wish Talon didn't spend his money money on the body. Well, he did.
Dude, I heard that Iron Man TC, or Real King Talon, he spent 2 million Robux. He just wasted all of it.
I know, he did. His parents spoiled him too much.
Dude, you know I'm making a video, right?
It's true. People get spoiled. Well, everyone mostly in the world that has Robux.
I know, you're one of them. We're both kind of spoiled.
Because I got a great 340.
Have you seen the McLaren yet, dude?
No.
You haven't?
No.
Let me show you. Move, Bugatti.
I heard the Ferrari. Wait, stop right here.
Hold on. That's the McLaren.
Oh! Dude, that's cool.
And I think it's faster than the Lambo.
So level 5 engine?
Definitely.
I have a level 5 engine.
You do?
Mhm.
Well, let's go get a level 5 engine. You drive. Oh, crap.
It just opens. Do you have upgraded double bag?
Yes, I do.
Same. So we need to share it equally.
Yes. Okay, I have 1,000.
I have 1,000.
Wait. It's not working. Okay, now I have 1,000.
I have 1,050.
I have 1,500.
I have 2,000.
I have 2,000.
2,050.
2,500.
6,000.
I have 3,500.
3,500. And we just wait.
And we just waited. Oh, I thought someone else joined the server and stole our car. I was like, wait, what?
That's a train.
I know. I heard like car sounds. I was like, what the heck? No.
Oh. 4,000. 4,050.
I need money.
5,000.
5,000, boy. I must warn you, I got pretty good at this part right here.
Yeah, I just run through it.
Yeah, that's not good. You're not supposed to run through it. That's why. That's why.
Sometimes I get lucky.
I cannot see a absolute thing. Will this help at all? No, it doesn't help.
You can get lucky sometimes. If we both die, when we
I may die here.
Don't die, because...
Oh, dude, I did it! Woo!
Okay, come to the garage, so I can customize your Lambo.
Hold up. Hold up.
Do you have the level 5 engine?
No, I don't. You should make your windows and tires purple and black. So your tires and windows need to be purple and your skin needs to be black.
Okay, you should come in with me. You can... I remember when you had to, like, on the wall there was these...
I know, dude, that was so bad.
Ooh, I have paint. But it sucks.
Yeah.
I also have Ladybug, Fritz, Police, Pixel, Galaxy. Okay, so purple? Oh, yep. In the wrong place. Body color. Black.
Yeah, but you gotta get rid, you have to press none on the, you know, what's it called?
Yeah.
Yeah. We have 5 minutes left. You can't have any, like, super paint galaxy stuff. Yeah, like that. And then purple tires. Oh.
What?
Or not.
What the heck is happening?
So you need purple windows and purple tires.
Oh, dang it, I don't have purple. I have to buy it.
It's okay. You have enough money.
Purple tires. I have the money, son.
Sweet.
But I don't want it. Turn it on. Do you have the,
I have the anacrid. I have the anacrid.
Same. Do you want the, fidget spinner one?
Sure. I don't care. Just make it like mine. And we can be the Lambo bros.
Okay, and level 5. Yep. Wanna see how fast this baby does? How did I...
You didn't get purple tires.
Yeah, I did. Oh, shoot.
Yeah.
Blue is close to purple.
Here,
Okay.
guys, we'll be, right back. We're just gonna, make sure I get my $5,000. And, yeah, we'll be right back. Hey, guys, we're back. Now, I'm just gonna crash into Oscar. Ugh. Really? It's barely doing anything. Ugh. I'm not gonna do anything. Okay, Oscar.
Yeah?
Let's rob the jewelry.
I hope we don't die this time.
Yeah, this time follow my lead.
I just like running through it, okay?
Okay, well, you're
The
gonna
one
die.
that's blocked is mine, okay? Wait to punch it. Wait to punch the next thing up. Okay, I have 150. 500 actually.
1,500.
We should have the same amount. So, how much do you have?
3,500.
I have 200, 500. 200.
2,500? Okay. Not bad.
Now I have 300. 2,000.
When will this spawn? Ugh!
I want you to join the Roblox thing. So.
I have 4,500.
Okay, wait for me to do...
Frick, dude, I call this one. Okay, I'm done.
Wait for me, remember?
Ready? Okay. Follow my lead, okay?
Okay, it's harder to go slow.
Wait till they disappear, so watch. Now! Dude, you didn't follow my lead, so you died.
This is hard, okay? It's hard to do it because it's 2 people.
Well, if you followed my lead, you would have survived.
But I'm bad at following the lead.
Well, too bad.
I'm bad at playing.
Well, we all knew that. I'm in my Lambo.
Discord. Yeah, our phone.
Well, guys, that's all the time I have for this video. If you guys did enjoy, then please hit that subscribe button and click that little bell.
To my channel.
Please subscribe to Oscar's channel.
Watch my videos on
Alright, bye, guys.